Welcome to my channel. My name is Ree. If you're new here, then welcome. So basically, me and my fiance, I always feel so weird saying fiance. Does anyone else just think it just sounds a bit cringy? But I can't say boyfriend because, you know, we are engaged, but then also partner just sounds a bit like grown up. I don't know. But anyway, yes, me and my fiance. His parents basically were really, really kind and they gifted us some money to go and spend on baby clothes. So I thought I'd come on here and do a little baby clothes haul for autumn, show you guys what we got. So we went a bit crazy on H&M and River Island. So let's go. So what should we start with? I say let's start with River Island. Such cute bits. So my baby is 15 weeks old, so I thought I'd get a few 3 to 6 months, but also we don't actually have many 6 to 9 months, so I thought we'd get like a lot of 6 to 9 stuff. And I did find with River Island, their stuff is so cute, but they actually don't stock their clothes much in sizes below 6 to 9. Well, maybe they weren't available, but they didn't on the website when we booked. So first we've got this cute cardigan, which says on the back, Mama's Cutie. So I did think this was just a jumper that kind of just looked like that, because on the website that's what it was displayed as, but actually it's a cardigan, which is cute. I love the colour of it. It actually feels like really good material as well. I do find River Island is a little bit pricey. Well, it is pricey for their kids' clothes. Probably the only reason that we went and bought brand new clothes was because we got gifted the money. Otherwise, if it was my personal choice, I buy all of my kids' clothes on Vinted, because you literally can get such good quality stuff from like Next, M&S. Looks so good because obviously babies don't wear their clothes for very long, and it all just looks practically new, and you get it for like less than a quarter of the price. But anyway, we did a haul and we did a River Island and the H&M haul, so I'm not going to talk about Vinted, we're going to talk about this haul. So this was really cute and it was £18. So basically nearly the price of an adult cardigan, but there we go. Then decided to get this really cute, it's kind of like the shape of a sleep suit, but you could wear this in the day obviously. This is £25 and it's basically like knitted and it's so cute. I love the frills on the sides. I think that'll look really nice on her. So this dress is adorable. Actually looks like a mini adult dress. Just gonna look like a little mini human. Look at that. So cute. Honestly, like absolutely adorable. This will look so nice with maybe a cardi and then a pair of tights underneath, maybe black leggings or something. Although the neck does look very, very small. My baby has quite a chunky neck, so I don't know if her face will be pushing out of that, but that's well cute. Look at that. So that's £22. Got the last item from River Island. And this is, oh, so cute. She's gonna look like a little fashionista. Look at that. That is so adorable. The little back as well. So that was some like black tight, a black long sleeved baby grow underneath to come out the sides, make it a bit more like wintry. But got this in a 6 to 9 and this is £25 as well. So how cute is that? That's my River Island stuff. Hope you like. Throw that over there. And then we've got H&M. Right, so let's start with this little cute jumper. So I got this in a 6 to 9. Oh, you know, so like babies, they need to have a little bit of colour, don't they? And I think that looks so lovely and autumny. Really, really love that. And the back is this cute purple. Then we've got this little dungarees. I love the colour of this. Purple, it's so nice. Lol, wearing purple, clearly like the colour purple. But that looks so nice, like a little baby grow underneath. I feel like H&M do really weird clothing sizes. 4 to 6 months. I don't know why they would only do 2 months, because obviously everywhere else does 3 to 6. But yeah, they'd probably fit my little girl now, even though she's just under 4 months, because she does have longer legs. Oh, love this. And we decided to get just the classic vests in 6 to 9. They feel really soft though, they're really, really good quality I found. I got some baby grow vests from H&M when she was newborn, and I felt like they were my favourite vests to put her in. So I thought I'd get them in all of these this little pack, which is quite good value for money because they all come together. And I love the little like bow at the top of them, makes them so cute. So we got more cardigans because you know it is getting cold. These colours, beigey. So there's like a brownie sort of beige. This one has the cute little sleeves, the little frill. But this one actually doesn't, it's just like a plain like beige sort of cardigan. So, still cute though, it's nice. They are a bit thinner, so they're not on the thicker side of the cardigans, but they'll do the job. Obviously it's autumn, so it's not winter just yet. But so this is a really cute outfit. I remember ordering this. I don't know if this was in like the summer section on sale, because obviously it's some little shorts with this cute sailor sort of t-shirt. It's like linen, so obviously it's thin material, but I thought you could kind of make it a little bit more autumn and wear it with some white tights to make it like a little bit warmer. That'll look really, really nice and autumny with one of those beige cardigans. So I thought these looked like proper autumny sort of colours. So this is probably actually same as before. This is like a linen-y sort of thinner material, but like that. But you can always dress stuff up because babies will always wear layers anyway, so you can wear a vest on underneath with these little shorts, and I thought that'd look really, really cute with white tights as well. So this is like a cute, really, really thick actually, like romper. And I love the colour pink, and it's super, super thick, so it'd be really, really good for the winter to wear with some tights. It's really, really wide though. Don't you think that's really wide? What size is that? 4 to 6 months. Why is that so wide? That's much wider than the other 4 to 6 months, I swear. Maybe it's supposed to be like a little bit baggy. Yeah. These like, they're a blue colour with white polka dots, but love heart ones. How cute are they? They're so nice. And they've got like a little elasticated top with a string at the top. Oh, love it. And then we've got some leggings. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's good as well. So they've got a little, I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in on the camera anyway. And then you can attach the size in. So if it's like obviously too small or too big, there's like a little button where you can do that. That's so good. So it's like floral, great colours, like reds, oranges on it. So that's nice. And then we've got a cute set outfit. Another little checked top. Some matching leggings to go with it, some pink leggings. And that is it. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little baby girl autumn clothing haul. Little short and sweet video, but I thought I wanted to share because I obviously got so many things. So grateful for my fiance's parents to gift us the money to get all of these, because you know, times are tough when you're on maternity leave. So we are struggling with money a little bit at the moment. Like probably everybody does when they're on maternity leave. You've got to cut stuff, and obviously with all the energy bills are sky high at the moment, it's going to be a difficult winter with everybody with money. But so happy to get these clothes because everything I put her in is basically secondhand or gifted to us by other people. My older sister has just had a baby and she's 2 years ahead of my little girl, so I get all of her clothes, which I'm so grateful for. But it's so nice to have some new bits that you get to choose yourself and style your baby in. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like if you like the video, of course, or a subscribe if you want to see some more mother content. But thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye, guys.